Using platen tape is a smart way to prolong the life of your equipment. It shields your platen from spray or liquid adhesives, is super easy to apply, and will save you time during cleanup. You can skip scraping off any adhesive or using chemicals during cleanup by simply peeling off the tape when you're finished with the job. It's also perfect for making registration marks without leaving a trace on your platen. Simply apply the tape and add your marks over it. It has a tacky side, which applies to the surface, and a non-tacky side, where you'll add your adhesive before printing. To apply the tape, you'll need platen tape, scissors or a utility knife, and a scraper, squeegee, or a credit card. Make sure the platen is clean to start. Wipe off any debris, dust, or ink residue and let the platen dry completely before applying the tape. Then peel back a small section of the tape to expose the adhesive side and align it with the platen, making sure it's as straight as possible to avoid wrinkles or bubbles. Slowly continue unrolling the tape while simultaneously pressing it down onto the platen. Continue until the entire platen is covered. Then carefully lift any corners that need readjusting and stick them back onto the platen. Then using scissors or a utility knife, separate the tape from the roll. Next, you can smooth out the rest using a credit card or a scraper. Make sure there are no loose edges that may lift up during printing, and you're all set.